Grand Rising. Grand Rising, everybody. How's everybody doing today? All right, you guys, I'm just out here getting some vitamin D. The sun is so bright today. So beautiful. Just going for my morning walk. Yes. It's Friday, you guys. Yes. It seems like it's going to be a beautiful day today. Yes, it definitely seems like it's going to be a good day today. All right. I said, let me get my morning steps in here. Yes. You guys have a blessed day. It's a long weekend this weekend, y'all. Yes, it is. It's like May 2-4 long weekend. Yeah. You guys enjoy your weekend. Stay blessed. Stay prayed up. Just gonna go for my walk. Yes. It's just so beautiful. I had to come out today. I'm like, yes, it's so pretty today. Go for a long walk. It's nice. Hope this good weather stays, with us now. Because it's been really cold, but this morning's very warm. Yeah. Show you guys where I walk. I usually walk like this long path here. Yeah. It's definitely gonna be warm today, y'all. YouTube, how you guys doing today? You guys, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. The weather's great. Try to get outside. It's so beautiful. I just want to encourage you, if you're ever feeling down or out, try to get outside in the sunshine. It helps a lot. Go for a walk and clear your head. This is what I do first thing in the morning, you guys. And sometimes I do night walking too. It definitely helps me clear my head and clear my energy. Helps me start my day on a positive note, especially if you're going through a lot. Like me right now, I'm just trying to make it through the storm right now, and it looks like it's clearing up nicely. I'm excited. I have a lot to show you guys in the next couple weeks here, so stay locked, all right? Yes. So this is just my outdoor routine. Like, I have an outdoor routine that I do. I've been doing for many years, as a matter of fact. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yes, you guys. I just pray this weather stays with us. It's so beautiful. Yes. I want to encourage you guys to get out today. You guys are feeling the way. You could get out, get in nature. You know? All right, you guys, stay locked. Peace.